Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are just going to be doing some normal stuff, maybe driving. Yeah, I think we are going to be driving today. Today we're just going to drive some normal driving stuff. So yeah, guys, I really wanna post some Roblox games, but I can't, guys. Since Roblox is kinda dangerous, my family said we are not allowed to play Roblox anymore, so that's what I'm kinda sad for. I really don't wanna miss Grow Garden. Really, bro. I wanna play the Grow Garden event, bro. This is like the worst thing that could happen to me. Well, life is life. It's kinda hard driving with one hand since one is holding the mic. Probably maybe I can post some more games. Probably I can post some FIFA games. Yeah, guys. Wait, guys, I haven't shown you the thing that in this game can do. When you crash into another car or crash into a police officer, you'll get chased by the police. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna prove it to you, which I'm not lying. See? Let me go find a police officer real quick. So guys, if my car goes to zero again, that means I have to end the video, because no way I'm gonna drive with a 0% car, because yeah, as you can see, there's that part that is damaged right there, you can see, and I don't want to get it to zero, but our mission right now is just to find a police officer and maybe crash into it. So far, no luck. There's a GPS, but it doesn't track other cars or the police officer truck cars. And it only tracks the police officers when you are being chased by the others one. If you're not, that means I just need the police officer to crash by himself. Ciao. Guys, this is the Porsche that my brother want me to buy. Yeah, if you don't know, my brother has a Porsche and it's big. Bro. The only thing that I can do is just escape from them. So for 76, guys, it's like the opposite of 67. Whoa. Okay, I don't know where the police is at. Oh, I crashed it. Oh. Guys, this is bad. Oh, no. What? Oh, no. Oh. This guy. Well, I don't have anything to do, Yeah, I don't have anything to do, it's like crashing my car. I don't want to do anything right now. Bro, my ears hurt. I'm using headphones right now. I think this is going to be the end of the video. Things are going out of hand. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and don't forget to comment, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.